Here at Bluebeam, your success means a lot to us. That's why we offer instructor-led training to help existing customers get the most out of their software. In addition to features included in every Bluebeam subscription, we have 2 virtual options for paid group training. Whether you're a team of 10 or 100 new or experienced users, we have options so you can bring your whole team up to speed at the same time. During Lecture Hall, you can join a webinar-style training from just about anywhere. A live chat is available to submit questions for the trainer to answer in real time, and after the training is concluded, customers will receive a pre-recorded version of their course that their teams can refer back to. If you're looking for something more hands-on, our interactive virtual classroom option is for you. Designed for users to attend from their own private workspace, this format offers an interactive experience similar to in-person training. This includes practice opportunities, collaborative breakout rooms, and direct engagement with a live Bluebeam trainer. You've taken the first step in elevating how you Bluebeam. Reach out today to get started.